Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alimento. My matrix number is 1192236. I am represented my group to present the customer session, and which is I'm going to present our business proposal. As you can see here, this is our group members, and we consist of 6 members. Our company name is Alimento Company. It has been involved in the food industry for many years. It was founded in 2010 by Maria Abdullah, and Alimento has been operating commercially in Malaysia since 2015 and has been listed in the Bursa Malaysia since 2020. This is our logo company, and our company known as the biggest halal food producer. Next, our vision of company is being a preferred corporate citizen, like employer and preferred supplier, while selling preferred products will help us become a leading competitive nutrition, health and wellness company that increase shareholder value. Our company mission is Eat Healthy, Live Healthy. It is aimed for offering consumer the best tasting, healthiest option across a variety of food and beverage categories and meal times from breakfast to dinners. Next, as you can see here, this is our organization structure, which is our board of directors. Next, it is about our service and product. Our diverse portfolio comprises 500 locally manufactured, 100% halal certified products, in-home preparation, on-the-go consumption, or out-of-home channels. This is an example of our product, which is Milo, food, coffees, ready-to-drinks, plant-based meal solution, ice cream, confectionery, milks, nutrition, and health science. We are committed the best practices for sustainable production while encouraging environmentally friendly habits amongst our consumer. Underpinned by our strong commercial and operation capabilities, we uphold the highest standard in food safety enabled by our Alimento quality management system and good manufacturing practice. Next, we provided some projected financial statement such as income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet. In income statement, we projected our company will rise in profit. We targeted the profit for the year 2022 will increase to 796,393 ringgit Malaysia. Next, in projected cash flow, there are 3 main activities, which is operating, investing, and financing. But we projected to increase in operating activities and financing activities, but we projected to reduce the investing activities in 2022. By that, we assume that we can get the cash and cash equivalent in 2022 1,184,784 ringgit Malaysia. Lastly, in projected balance sheet, we project our company will rise in assets, liability, and equity. As we know, total equity plus liabilities is equal to total assets. So we estimate that we will get total equity and liabilities in 2022 will get 3,079,554 ringgit Malaysia. Next, I'm going to proceed with the funding request. We, Alimento Company, plans to grow our business in the future and make our company become larger than it is now. Hence, we need a loan from our potential investor, and based on our plan, a loan is necessary to our 3 main reasons, which is we are going to build a new factory, buy some new machine to put in the new factory, and purchase some vehicle. Firstly, we plan to build a new factory at Nilai area because we want to manufacture more of our own product near Nilai. And it is also because we want to facilitate and expedite the delivery of our products to supplier in Nilai. Furthermore, to produce more product in our new factory, our company also needs machine to manufacture it. By using the machine, it will speed up the time to manufacture the product, and it is a crucial tool to produce our product. Lastly, our business intends to add vehicles in our new factory. It is because the vehicle is used to transport our product to the supplier. As you can see here, this is our sketch of our new factory. This factory is planned to build in area Nilai, and the price of the factory is around 1.5 million. And we also estimate to start this project in December. This is an example of one of our machine, which is the producing machine, and this machine is used to produce our product, and each of this machine will cost around 10,000 ringgit, and our company will require 4 of this machine. So that we also need packing machine to packing our products, and each of this machine will cost 6,000 ringgit Malaysia, and we also require this machine, at least 4 of this machine. And last, for the machine, we need the sticker pasting machine. It is to paste our sticker company on this product. And for this machine, it will cost 2,000 ringgit for each machine, and we just require 2 of this machine in our new factory. Lastly, we need the loan to purchase some vehicle, which is the truck and van. We will need we will require 2 trucks, and each truck will cost 140,000 ringgit Malaysia. One van, we just require one of van that will cost 15,000 ringgit Malaysia.
Next, we move to the 5 C's for Alimento Company. For the character, Alimento Company is a well-being company in Bursa, Malaysia. Most of the products from the company are very well known. Alimento is one of the companies that are doing well in controlling their business. Next, for the conditions. Conditions refers to a potential problem that faced by customers, and it can be divided into 2 categories, which is internal and external. For capital, Alimento Company plans to expand their business operations by build a new building. For the capacity, evaluation of capacity can be divided into 3 components, which is legal, payment, and management. As a result, it makes it difficult and uneasy for the bank to grant a loan. For legal, Alimento Company has stated that they have been in compliance with Companies Act 2016 and be listed in Bursa Malaysia. Next, the company also certified a true copy that they are a partnership establishment. For payment, regarding the company's financial management, for the past 3 years, the bank will need to assess the statement of comprehensive income and statement of cash flows. From the statement of comprehensive income, from the profit, the company may be able to be more stable with strong financials. So next, for payment, in the statement of cash flows overall, Alimento Company reported that cash flow generated activities as 2 million, and in investing activities, which are RM 634,196. According to that, the bank will loan the amount as mentioned in funding as requested. Next, for management, according to the company's management, there are 5 seniority teams that control Alimento. So regarding the relationships among them, as can be seen, the bank founder and CEO play a main role in the company, with having a lot of experience in working at a seniority team and having an academy that has been related with the company. For the internal conditions overall, after seeing what the company wanted to make, it can be seen that the business of the company kindly may invest more income if the new building succeeds. Next, for external conditions, the external is that the company can diversify their product sales and sell it to the customers who buys it and attract customers to buy or make shares together. Based on the table above, the total financing obtained by Alimento Company is 1,007,802. Meanwhile, the total cost incurred of 1,008,098,200. The bank will ensure this capital of RM 189,800 is available for approving the financing. Otherwise, if the capital is not available, the financing will not proceed. Next is the Z-score for the Alimento Company. Based on the table above, it has shown that the Z-score for the year 2019 is 2.11, which puts the Alimento Company in the grey area and possibly going bankrupt. Thus, when we look at the 2020, the Z-score is declining from the year before, which was 1.83. That Z-score is still in the grey area and has not changed from previous year. From that moment, it shows that there is the same stage for 3 years. They were in a grey area and should be considered as red flag of possible bankruptcy. Next is SWOT analysis for Alimento Company. Each of its products has its executive business officer. Since the role of business executive is crucial for a company, they can have a structured, well-planned by having them manage and set goals for the Alimento Products Company. The company itself can be secured if anything happens, since they already have a business executive that will handle all the related management of each product in their company. Next, the weaknesses of Alimento Company is that they are lacking with labor. The amount of labor is 4,253 and it is insufficient because they have about 7 working capital. As a sequences, it is recommended to Alimento Company to add more workers to their company. For the opportunities that Alimento Company must take into considerations is that they should add non-Muslim consumers as their target customers. This is because non-Muslim consumers prefers to eat halal foods because of the healthiness and cleanliness of our foods. This is related to Alimento Company is based on analysis. Alimento Company also upheld the highest standards of food safety by enabling Alimento quality management system and good manufacturing practices. So this convinces us that their product is halal and implement food safety. Hence, Alimento Company should take this chance to market the products to non-Muslim consumers since they love to eat clean, hygienic and safe food. Next is the additional cost incurred. This includes costs for the factory, machinery and employees' wages. It is a treat for them because they will need more funds to implement the plan. Hence, Alimento Company must estimate its budget accurately for the operational costs. Therefore, the company needs to make relevant adjustment and precise cost estimation to cost cutting for savings and succeeding their plan. Regarding all the ratios above, as a summary, this analysis is reasonable to show that the financial made by Alimento from the current ratio, the bank concluded that Alimento's funding request was unacceptable. This is because Alimento is not able to pay debt because the company's liquid assets are insufficient to satisfy its immediate obligations. Its current ratio is less favorable and there are more liabilities than assets needed to service its debts. In addition, if Alimento experiences a near bankruptcy due to its inability to pay the debt, the bank will not take sides.